Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this really cool Origami Jumping Arrowhead designed by Jeremy Shafer, and check it out. It looks really cool, and it jumps really nicely. Check this out. So yeah, so you just hold it onto the table like this, and then you just push down like this, and oh yeah, it jumps really nicely just like that. Again. Oh yeah. Whoa. Whoa, yeah. Yep. It's actually kind of addicting now. Yeah. Okay, one more time. Oh yeah. And to learn how to fold it, click the card. So yeah. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this demo, and make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.